start the game and then we'll do our little spiel.
Where's the other?
Yeah. Thank you.
Gaming. Mario.
No.
There's a Charizard at the park.
Whoa, that's actually super sick.
Go.
Go to the park right now to get a Charizard?
Yeah.
No, we're recording.
Oh man, but this is supposed to be our return from our short break.
Sucks. It's gonna be. It's me. I'm second player. It's
We
Tonya.
had to
Why is it green? Mine's not green.
Yeah, it is.
No, this is like.
What were we gonna say?
This is a different green.
That we're
Back.
Hey guys, we're back.
Back from your hiatus.
We're back from our short break.
We're back from our short little hiatus.
Back to daily content. Always.
Daily uploads. Never missed a day. Never will miss a day. Always and forever.
Period.
Yep.
Period.
That's
I don't know who.
We're back. We're gaming. We're playing Mario Party. Bowser Jr. made for life. Oh, you know what? We didn't introduce our special guest.
true.
Oh,
Disrespect.
so disrespectful. Oh, as I'm sure you may have forgotten since our short break, I am the Warm Tortilla, your boy Tony Z, here with my brother.
The littlest tortilla.
And today for this special recording segment, we've got our special guest,
The other one.
the other one.
So Fizzle Wizzle.
Oh, so Fizzle Wizzle.
Come on,
That's her.
guys.
That's her.
So Fizzle Wizzle, aka Sophie. Sophia. Sophie. SoFi. The SoFi Stadium.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Oh, Master, right? What's what he said? Yeah. The Master Wario.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did it.
We did it, gamers. Okay. Oh, sorry, Toad. I didn't mean to talk to you. Sorry, buddy. Oh, jeez. Alright, Sophie, you gotta make sure that you're extra funny on this extra special returning video. Otherwise, you're never invited again.
Okay.
Oh, never.
Never ever.
Never
Oh, we can make
ever.
this a series, right? We
Never
play
ever.
them from the first one and go all the way to the end, maybe? We'll see.
We're really gonna make another video out of this?
It's gonna be like an hour. I'm gonna cut this one up anyways.
Content.
Content!
Yeah.
Wahoo.
10 turns is fine, right? About
Yeah.
60 minutes, yeah.
Sure. It's not accurate.
It's accurate enough.
No, it's not. Skip it.
Aye. You're so bossy. You're the guest
No.
here.
Shh. No.
Oh my god.
Toad's welcoming us. Stop.
No, it's not our first time. We're gamers, Toad.
Listen
No,
to me.
nah, we were chilling.
Ooh. I beat you.
Very cool.
Very cool. Third place, that's okay. You know what they say, third time's the charm.
Uh-huh.
That definitely applies.
Veronica, you always get last.
Sure do.
Hey, you guys see that star right there?
That's mine.
No.
Wait, that's like right there.
It's mine. I'm gonna get it with my first roll.
You probably could.
Maybe.
I don't know how this game. Play.
You just
Play.
roll the dice.
You just play.
You just play.
Mario Party.
It's just Mario Party.
Yeah. Ooh, 5.
Yo, let's go. 5 hype.
Ooh, I win.
Yo, stick 3 coins.
Thank you.
We're just gonna get everything.
He can't? No, she can.
Yo, what a crazy number.
It's cheating.
What an idiot, bro. He's gonna lose the minigame and he won't have enough coins for the star.
Oh yeah.
Alright, guys. This is it. I'm gonna risk it all with my Bowser Jr. dice block. I'm gonna go for the 9. How do you do the thing where it spins really fast? I don't know.
Hold the button.
Hold 8. That's what I mean. Let's go, baby! Bowser Jr. Ah, yes.
Woo!
Woo!
3 coins.
That's showbiz, baby. Oh man, what a bad dice block. Oh, I should roll the 0.
Maybe.
Oh, sick 4, sick 4.
Great job. Oh,
Oh, nice going.
That's awesome. Such a god game.
What a god gamer. Alright, 4-player minigame, I got this. Y'all are finished.
no.
Sphere mongers? I don't remember what this one is, but I'm gonna win.
No.
What? Hello?
How
Oh, GG,
do you do
bro.
it?
You magnetize them and you win by bringing them to your little area.
Oh, I see.
Come on, guys. How long do we gotta practice for?
Sorry.
Can you please not be so noisy during our recording session?
I'm dying though.
You okay? You wanna like chill out? We're trying to record our gaming session.
I'm sorry. I'm sick. You guys chose like the worst days to record.
We didn't decide anything. We just kind of did it.
True.
Oh my.
I'm so sorry. I ruined that first game.
You ruined the whole first game. Sophie.
I'm sorry.
So if we keep this up and you're off the channel.
Fine by me.
You're on thin ice, Sophia.
I lost. See?
You're
Because I was
second
coughing the
place.
whole time.
Alright. You better not get the star. Oh, you don't have coins.
can't.
I forgot. You don't have coins. What does it matter?
Next one.
Sick 5, sick 5.
Buddy.
Oh, your buddy Koopa Paratroopa?
Yeah, go to one of your rivals.
No.
Oh, sick ally space.
Thank you.
Man, isn't it funny that we haven't unlocked Donkey Kong yet?
Dry bones?
Yo.
Really?
Yo, Dry Bones is sick.
High.
Dry Bones hype.
Dry Bones is a home.
Oh, the one with the backbone. Haha. You get it?
True.
That was funny. Haha.
You.
Never keep this
We're
up
just
and you're
gonna
off the
beat
channel.
us all.
What?
Oh, he doesn't have enough fun. Never mind. Never mind.
Not what an idiot.
What an idiot. Oh, I wasn't paying attention how much the stars even are.
You okay there?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
You got an ally too.
Cheating!
I wanted Mario!
Wario and his good friend Mario. That's crazy.
Wahoo!
Wahoo!
Bad dice roll.
Alright guys, it's time once again. I have to risk it all. Otherwise, who even am I?
Idiot.
Ooh,
You lost points.
coins.
Oh no! How
You're
sad.
bad.
Yeah, you got this. Yo, sick 4.
That's
Oh, dang, I thought I said 30 coins for a second. I was like, yo, what?
Lucky!
Lucky. Yo, sick 3 coins.
Yes! 3 coins.
Alright, guys. Y'all are about to finna be destroyed.
No.
Absent-minded, say less, bro.
Oh my.
I don't know what this is actually. Oh, GG, easy.
Alright, I'm going middle every time. It's gonna be middle every time.
I won.
Start.
Alright. Watch. I'm gonna win. Who's missing?
Still in the middle. Still in the middle. Told you. Told you. Still in the middle. Still in the middle every time. Card gaming.
Dude, you're bad.
Nah, that's cheating. All cheating.
You're just bad. Still in the middle. Told you. Still in the middle.
I didn't even know where my thing was. Wait. That's cheating.
Luigi, you idiot, you got it wrong.
You got it wrong. Oh my
So did
god.
you.
I got it right that second
No.
time.
One in the middle. I told you. Wario, you idiot.
Wario, what an idiot.
Wario
Oh,
won.
he still won.
How did Wario win?
Because he got him more right than we did.
No, that's cheating.
Man, you guys are
That's not fair. He's hacking. He's using Game Shark.
Nico, you only got one right.
so.
He's using the walk through walls hack.
Oh, yeah.
What an upset! Oh my god. I am upset.
Winning by 2 points. What an upset.
I'm gonna win. I don't care.
Alright, you roll the spicy 6.
Yeah.
Oh, sick 3.
6-3. Yo, 6-2.
Oh, sick 2.
Try bones.
Oh,
Idiot.
what an idiot. Oh my god, I can't believe you activated that trap.
My bad.
There they go.
You fool.
I'm gonna die. Look at me.
Huh. Oh, Wario. Hello.
Whoa, whoa.
That's wild, man.
Sure is.
Yay.
Nice 6, nice 6.
Go Bowser Jr.
Alright. Check this out. I'm gonna believe in the heart of the dice and I'm gonna roll the 9 right now.
Do it.
Heart of the dice,
Do it.
guide me.
Do it.
Yo, nice 9.
Boo.
Oh, they failed me.
Boo.
Alright, it's my turn.
Nah, bro, just wait. I'm gonna get the bonus star for least spaces traveled.
That's even a thing. 0.
6, let's go.
6 hype.
I'm over 4 right now. Dang it. You're first. You're faster than me.
I'm just gonna close it again, probably, if I roll
Yeah.
another 1. No, actually, I'm gonna roll the 9 next turn.
Yo, let's go, Luigi.
Oh, I didn't see. Oh, am I with Wario?
Yeah.
That's sick. We're gonna win.
Easy, man. Easy.
What?
Oh, I'm so bad at this one.
Oh, that's right.
Oh,
How
Sophie.
do we place it? Oh, it just falls automatically. Okay. Come on, guys, hurry up and ready up. We're playing.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot.
We all know what Mario looks like. Oh, and we all know what Bowser looks like.
Go up.
Oh, okay. Alright, perfect.
Yeah, we got it. I got it beautiful.
Perfect.
Thank you, Mario. I think that's probably good.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know what Bowser looks like. I've played Super Mario here and there.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Look at him.
What a handsome lad.
What a handsome guy.
92%. That's pretty solid.
Let's go, Luigi.
Ready? Yeah.
Nah, y'all are cheating. Y'all are using aimbot.
Nope.
We're just good at this game.
Nah, y'all are using aimbot.